Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. In this video, I am going to explain in class 10th, chapter 11, trigonometric introduction topic. So, before go to video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Click the bell icon. Okay, give the like and comment. So, introduction topic. First one, trigonometric ratios. First, trigonometry is a Greek word. Trigonometry is a Greek word. Okay, the trigonometry is divided into three parts: trigonometry, tri three, gono angles, metry measurements. Three angles measurement. Okay, the father of the trigonometry is Hipparchus. Okay, so here trigonometric ratios. First introduction topic. First one, trigonometric ratios. Before go to trigonometric ratios, first I am explaining triangle. So what is called triangle? Before go to triangle, explaining angle. So angle means what? Any two line segments or any two rays or any two lines are met at one common point is called angle. So here this is one line segment, it is another line segment. So these two line segments AC and AB, these two line segments are met at one common point. Okay, so here this is called angle, or the amount of rotation of any two line segments at one common point. That rotation is called angle. Okay, the amount of rotation of any two line segments or any two rays or any two lines at one common point. Okay, that rotation is called angle. So angle is denoted by theta. Angle is denoted by theta. So this rotation means it is moving. Okay, the distance measurement is called angle. Okay, so here the angle is measured in three types. There are degrees, gradients, radians. Okay, angle is measured in degrees, gradients, radians. So here the distance measurement is called angle. This measurement is denoted by degrees, gradients, radians. So up to 10th class we can only know about the degrees. Okay, so here how many types of angles are there? There is 7 types. What are there? Zero angle, next acute angle, next right angle, next obtuse angle, next right angle, reflex angle, complete angle. So here so 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270, 360 degrees. So the angle is 0 degrees means the line segment does not moving at one point. Okay, that is called 0 angle. So the angle is above 0, below 90. It is called acute angle. So the angle is 90 degrees, that is called right angle triangle. The angle is above 90, below 180, that is called obtuse angle. So the angle is 180 degrees, that is called straight angle. The angle which is above 180, below 360, it is called reflex angle. The angle is 360 degrees, that is called complete angle. So this is in degrees. Okay, so the complete angle in a degrees is 360 degrees. Okay, in gradients there is 400 gradients. The complete angle is 400 gradients. So here the 400 gradients is divided into 4 parts. So 360 degrees is divided into 4 parts: 90, 90, 90, 90. Okay, so 400 gradients also divided into 4 parts, that is here 100 gradients, next 200 gradients, next 300 gradients, next 400 gradients. So next radians. The complete angle is 2 pi. So here pi by 2, here pi, pi by 2, pi by 2, pi. Here 3 pi by 2, 4 pi. So the complete angle in degrees is 360. Complete angle is 360. Gradients 400. Radians 2 pi. 2 pi. Okay. So next, in degrees, 270 degrees is 270 degrees is 300 gradients. Here 3 pi by 2. Next, 180 degrees is 200 pi. 90 degrees 100 pi by 2. Okay, so this is the relation between degrees, gradients, radians. So what the relation? 90 degrees, 100 gradients, pi by 2 radians. Okay, by using this relation we can find the degrees in gradients, degrees in radians. Okay, so this is the measurement of angle. How many types? 3 types. What are the? Degrees, gradients, radians. In degrees the complete angle is 360, gradients 400, radians 2 pi c. Okay, 270, 300 pi, 3 pi by 2, 180, 200 pi, 90, 100 pi by 2. Okay, 180 degrees is in radians is pi, 90 degrees is in radians is pi by 2, 270 is in radians is 3 pi by 2. Complete angle 360 degrees is in radians is 2 pi c. Okay, so this is the measurement of angle. How many types? 3 types are there. Okay, so next, these ratios we can take trigonometry ratios. Okay, here what is called trigonometry ratios means, in a triangle, what is called triangle? A simple closed curve which having 3 line segments is called triangle. Okay, so in a triangle, 3 sides and 3 angles, 3 sides and 3 angles is called 6 ratios of a triangle. In a triangle, 3 sides, 3 sides and 3 angles is called 6 ratios. So here what are the 6 ratios? Sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, cosecant ratio, secant ratio, cot ratio. So these 6 ratios we can take in a triangle. Which a triangle? Right angle triangle. Okay, so here what are the 6 ratios? Sine ratio, cos ratio, 6 ratios of a triangle, 3 sides and 3 angles is called 6 ratios of triangle. Cos ratio, tan ratio, next cosecant ratio, next secant ratio, next cot ratio. Okay, so what is called ratio? Comparison between any two quantities with the same units is called ratio. So here where you can take the ratios at angles. Okay, here how many sides are there? 3 sides. Between the sides at angle we can take the ratios. Okay, the 6 ratios you can take only in possible in right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means what? In a triangle one angle is 90 degrees. The triangle is called right angle triangle. So here in a right angle triangle, A, B, C, let us take, here the angle is how much? 90 degrees. Okay, at A and at C. Okay, these two angles, at the two angles you can take that 6 ratios. Okay, so here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. These 3 sides having the names are there. So the side which is opposite 90 degrees, that side is called hypotenuse. So AC is a hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees, that is called hypotenuse. So the side which is opposite to given angle, that is called opposite side. So here for the angle C, what is the opposite? AB. For the angle A, what is the opposite? BC. So for the angle C, it is the adjacent. For the angle A, it is a adjacent. So here at angle A, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse side is AC. Next, at angle C, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse side is AC. So opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Opposite means the side which is opposite to a given angle, that is called opposite. The side which is opposite to given angle is called opposite. The side which is opposite to given adjacent, okay, that is called adjacent side. Okay, for at angle A, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse side is AC. At angle C, opposite AB, adjacent BC, hypotenuse AC. Okay, so here what are the sine ratio? Sine ratio means what? Opposite side at given angle, the ratio from opposite side to given angle to hypotenuse. So opposite side at theta by hypotenuse side. This is the sine ratio, sine or sine ratio. Okay, so next cos or cosine. Okay, so what is the cos ratio? Adjacent side at given angle by hypotenuse side. The ratio from adjacent side at angle to hypotenuse side. Next, tan ratio. What is tan ratio? Opposite side at angle by adjacent side at angle. So next, cosecant ratio. Cosecant ratio is hypotenuse side by opposite side at given angle. So next, secant. Secant ratio is what? Secant. Okay, cosecant, secant. Okay, secant means a line which is passing through a circle meet at 2 points, that is called secant. Okay, so here what? Hypotenuse side by adjacent side at given angle. Cot means cotangent. So that is adjacent side at angle, next opposite side at angle. Okay, so here when observe the 6 ratios, so the sine ratio is reciprocal of cosecant ratio. Next, cos ratio is reciprocal of secant ratio. Tan ratio is reciprocal of cot ratio. So sine ratio is reciprocal of cosecant. So that is here one can get 1 by cosecant ratio. So here what is the cosecant ratio? Hypotenuse by opposite. The denominator and fraction is become reciprocal. So that is here sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Sine ratio at angle. Okay, sin theta means sine ratio at angle into cosecant theta means cosecant ratio at angle. So this two product is how much? 1. So sine is reciprocal of cosecant, cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Next, cos theta is equal 1 by secant theta. Cos theta, cos ratio is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Cosecant, hypotenuse by adjacent. So the denominator fraction is become reciprocal. So that is here cos theta into secant theta is equal 1. Next, tan is equal 1 by cot theta. Tan ratio is what? Opposite by adjacent. Cot means adjacent by opposite. The denominator fraction is become reciprocal. So in the place of tan theta we can write as 1 by cot. So that is here tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So this is the trigonometric ratios, reciprocal identities. What? Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So these are the trigonometric ratios and their reciprocal identities. So next what? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is the what? Opposite side at theta by next hypotenuse side at theta. This is the sine ratio. By cos ratio is adjacent side at theta by hypotenuse side. So it is the sine, it is the cos. So a fraction having the denominator is become reciprocal, that is equal opposite side at theta by hypotenuse side into hypotenuse side by adjacent side at theta. Hypotenuse cancel. So what the remaining? Opposite by adjacent, nothing but how much? Tan theta. Same, cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta is about adjacent side at theta by hypotenuse side by opposite side theta by hypotenuse side. The denominator fraction is become reciprocal, that is adjacent side at theta by hypotenuse side into hypotenuse side by opposite side at theta. Hypotenuse cancel. Adjacent side, opposite side. What the ratio? Cot theta. So cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So sin theta by cos theta is equal to what? Tan theta. So this is the trigonometric ratios and reciprocal ratios. So tan we can write as sin by cos, cot we can write as cos by sin.